Welcome to Khana by Kalras, and I am Chef Sunny Kalra. Today I am going to share with you about an ingredient which has been sidelined or ignored over the years. It is a very healthy ingredient, and that is Foxnuts or Makhana. It is very good for people with high blood pressure, for your bones and teeth, for your kidneys. The next recipe I am going to make today is Paneer Mutter Makhana, which is a Mughlai recipe from the korma family. Okay, pour in some olive oil. Place the pan. The oil. Once the oil is heated, we start with the whole masalas. Some whole jeera. Stick of cinnamon. 2 pods of Cardamom, 1 bay leaf. We add the onions. Keep on stirring the onions till they turn golden brown. We add green chili paste, 1 spoon. Ginger garlic paste, 1 spoon. Add the tomatoes. Add some cashews. Turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon. Red chili powder, 1 teaspoon. Coriander powder, 1 tablespoon. 1 teaspoon Kasturi Methi. Now mix this well. Add little bit of water to soften up the masalas. Add in some salt. Mix it up. Now this is ready for grinding. The masala is now ready. Now let us take it to the pan. So our gravy is ready and we have kept it on the side. Now we have to saute the ingredients, the cashews, the green peas and the makhana. The oil is well heated. Now we add the makhanas, the foxnuts. Give them a nice stir. Now we add the cashews. Add the green peas. Add the paneer. Stir them up. Season with some Kasturi Methi. We want the Kasturi Methi flavor to linger on. Now we transfer them to the gravy. So we have transferred the gravy to this kadai. We are reheating it. We need to add some water to this to have the required consistency, because we have to add the other ingredients to this. We add the sauteed vegetables to the gravy. Now give it a good stir. Look at this. Beautiful. Time to add cream. 1 large tablespoon. Let us do the plating. Now the garnish. 2 tablespoons of cream, some cashews, some coriander, and finally some makhanas. Try this recipe for paneer Mutter makhana and enjoy.